In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Create. This is where you can enter different types of transactions. And for this tutorial, you'll want to select Expense. That opens the expense entry form where you can record a business purchase or payment. Next, choose the payee. This is the person or company you paid. Selecting the correct payee helps keep your records organized and makes it easier to track vendor activity later on. After that, select the payment account. This should be the account the money came from, such as your business checking account, a credit card, or another payment source. Choosing the right account is important because it affects how the transaction appears in your books and bank records. Now enter the payment date. Make sure this matches the actual date the expense was paid, so your reporting stays accurate. Then select the payment method, such as cash, check, or credit card. If your payment method uses a reference number, like a check number or transaction reference, enter that as well. This can be very helpful if you need to look up the payment later. In the category details section, choose the expense category that best fits the purchase and enter the amount. This is what tells QuickBooks how to classify the expense for reporting and bookkeeping purposes. If the expense needs to be split across more than one category, you can add additional categories as needed. You can also enter item details instead if that better matches how you track purchases in your business. If you want, add a memo to include a short note about the transaction. This is optional, but it can be useful for adding context, especially when reviewing expenses later. You can also attach receipts or other supporting documents if needed. Attaching files directly to the transaction helps keep everything together in one place and can save time during audits, reviews, or tax preparation. Before finishing, take a moment to review all of the expense information. Double-check the payee, account, date, category, amount, and any attachments to make sure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Close to record the expense and return to your previous screen. That's all it takes to record an expense in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.